right, that was 1 container of thawed Cool Whip. We're gonna add 1 egg. Perfect. Now we're gonna bring in some red velvet cake mix, and we're gonna pour this whole box right into our bowl with our Cool Whip and our egg. Yummy. All right, now we're just gonna mix all 3 of those ingredients together until we get a cookie-like batter. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love red velvet, but you can use whatever cake mix flavor you prefer. You could do chocolate, vanilla, spice cake mix, a strawberry cake mix, but this red velvet is gonna be super fun and super festive. All right, this is all mixed together. I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna bring in a small bowl, and I have here some powdered sugar. This part is optional, so if you don't want as much sugar, you can skip it, but I think it adds a great kind of effect to the cookie. And we're just gonna add a little bit of powdered sugar in there, and I'm gonna grab my cookie scoop, and we are gonna scoop our red velvet right into our powdered sugar, and we're just gonna kind of roll it into the powdered sugar, covering it completely. Just like so. Perfect. Okay, and then we're gonna just place this on our parchment lined sheet pan. Okay, now my oven is set to 350, and these are gonna bake for about 15 minutes. Oh my, look how beautiful these came out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now, while they're still warm, I'm gonna grab my Hershey Kisses candy canes. I already unwrapped 6. And these are gonna go right in the center of our red velvet cake. Oh, cookies, cake cookies.
Look how bouncy the batter is too.
Oh yeah. Oh, they smell so decadent. Okay, last one. Just make sure they sit in there and they're gonna start melting. Okay, and now we're gonna let them cool down. Oh my goodness, I can smell that peppermint melting. Good thing we have parchment paper under. These are ready. I just let them cool for about 2 minutes. Don't they look incredible?
They smell delicious and perfectly cooked.
I absolutely love red velvet. I know it's pretty much just chocolate cake, but it's extra delicious to me.
Chocolate cake cookie.
It's time to try one. I think I'm gonna go for this one. Look how cute it is. Ah!
Was it good? I bet.
That is incredible. You gotta try it.